What's good, y'all? Ruds here. Today's hardware review features the HomeLikeShaving Start safety razor. HomeLikeShaving is a Russian-based razor maker who specializes in high-quality stainless steel razors at an affordable price point. Due to the conversion rate, a single razor with base plate and cap retails for about $75 US. The company also has in the works an adjustable razor, and this particular razor comes in several base plate options with various blade gaps. HomeLikeShaving razors can be purchased direct on their website. The Start safety razor is a traditional 3-piece DE safety razor made out of 316 stainless steel, presumably CNC machined. You can see it has etching on the bottom with the blade gap, as well as a serial number and some Russian writing that I can't read. The tight tolerances on this are ever present because of the CNC machining process. The blade loads easily, centers easily, and sandwiches in nicely, so there's no blade chatter on this. This happens to be the 1.18 millimeter gap, which is the highest offered to date by the company. The height of the razor is 82 millimeters, and the weight of the razor is 105 grams. So the HomeLikeShaving Start with the 1.18 millimeter blade gap delivers a medium aggressive shave with good but not great efficiency. I've been shaving with this razor now for a few weeks, thanks to the loan by a friend. And I can tell you that the angle of attack on this razor, quite easy to find, quite easy to maintain. I am able to shave both my face and dome with it comfortably, particularly on the dome with my one pass against the grain style. The razor does a nice job. I think the 1.18 millimeter gap may scare some potential buyers away, but based on the head geometry and the blade gap, I would consider this a daily driver candidate for anyone who does enjoy medium aggressive razors. It's certainly not overly aggressive and has delivered me very smooth, comfortable shaves. So everything about the HomeLikeShaving Start safety razor screams luxury, except for the price point. I'm very impressed with this product, and I think it's one of the better values in terms of shave quality, craftsmanship, and materials construction available in the wet shaving space currently. Do hope you'll have the opportunity to check out the HomeLikeShaving Start if you are so inclined. As always, thumbs up the video if you enjoyed it. Comment below if you have anything to say. If you're not already a subscriber, please become one. See ya.